Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing my brand new DNA wheels for my 1997 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail Classic. Okay, so the first thing we're going to be opening is the what should be the rotors and the pulley. I think the pulley and other stuff, maybe hardware, bolts. I'm not sure. Yes, so this is the pulley. That's pretty cool. It's real nice and chrome, nice and shiny. All right, let's see what else we got in this box. There's some hardware, looks like. Here's some bolts. Here's a rotor with some more bolts. And here is another rotor. Here, I'll show you what one of these rotors looks like. There we go. It's got a spacer in there. It has a DNA. Right there it says DNA. It's real beautiful, chrome, shiny. These rotors are actually marked two different part numbers, so I have to figure out which one's the front, which one's the rear. But mine, they have 11.5 inch, 11.8 inch. My bike is the 11.5 inch, the old Evo Softail. Next, we'll do the wheels. And here's the wheel spacer for the drive pulley. Depending on what model bike you have, DNA will tell you which spacer you need, but there it is. All right, so here's the front wheel, I believe. 21 inch front wheel. Parts right there. I'm not sure. There we go.
Wow.
All right. There we go. That's the 21 inch front wheel. All right. This is the rear wheel. 18 inch. Front wheel is a 21 by 3.5 and the rear wheel is an 18 by 3.5. Maddie. And there we go. White wall tires, Shinko tires, mounted, balanced by DNA. And there we have it. All right, now let's go check out the bike the wheels are going on. a 1997 Harley Heritage Softail Classic Evo motor. All right, that'll do it for today's video. Stay tuned for the video where we actually install the wheels and tires on the motorcycle. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Appreciate it.